Pero ang common denominator ng butterfly is 1, you have to move your hips to the side. Many ways then to move to the side. Some people, they have an underhook. If they have an underhook, si sir, posture up. Posture up. Kung hindi ka makakuha ng butterfly muna at naka-underhook ka, this one is a high value move. Because from this position, if I could posture him down with a baseball grip, baba, gilid, kahit di na ako mag-butterfly, kahit pag-angat na ito, wala akong mag-ikot. Pero kung nag-posture up si sir, nag-posture up si sir, hindi ko na makuha, right? Hindi na ako maka-entry dito, I could switch my stance and go for there, for game ball. Ito, game ball. So, tawag dito? Overhook, overhook. From this position, it's still going to be an up and down game. Still pulling him up, now he's still going up. The moment I suppose that I could now open my guard and at the very least block this side of the body. Ang goal ng butterfly is this leg goes under his hamstring. Right? Pero hindi pa basta yun kasi pag nilabas ko pa ako dito, papas si sir. So what you can do dahil naka-overhook ka na at nakalabas ng point mo is control the wrist. Right? What you can do, pwede ka muna mag-attempt ng triangle, kick this. Kasi kung hindi gumana yung back take, baka pwedeng gumana yung triangle. Pero kung hindi pa talaga gumana kasi inaano niya to, pwede mong sipahin to. Right? Ano magiging natural ng habol? Aangat yan. Pag inangat niya, sige, tingulak ko, balik ko sa akin. Pwede mo na i-trap to. From this position that you've established this, bangga, yan, posture down mo to, posture down mo. Now you could sweep him. Notice my body is in a 45-degree angle. I have this as base. I have this as leverage. I have a free arm. From this position, pwede kong kapitan sa kilikili o dito or sa wrist. From this, I use momentum. Okay? How do we get momentum? Two opposite forces. Kasi walang momentum kung isang puwersa lang. Okay? I need to have force A and force B fighting back. This is force A. What is force B? Lumalaban siya, tumitingala siya. Pag tumitingala na siya, yeah, that's where you put your feet. Okay? Magangat. Hit, angat. Hindi ko nabuhat ah. Wala. Take two. Take two. Okay, angat. Angat. Diwa. Ingat. Balikan ko lang. Guard. So, anong nangyari sa mga butterflies natin, transitions? Nigo, George, kung may naisip kayo ibang paraan, paano gawin to? Pag ganun, pag ganyan, butterfly, input lang kayo ha. Pero importante, details ha. Because I'm gonna rock my body, therefore, I need to have angles for rocking to happen. You cannot rock on a 180-degree angle. Kailangan may 90 degrees at the very least. 45 degrees. Lapit. Okay. Push this. If you try to push back,